You're meant to move yourself away from the operations of your business as soon as you possibly can. Build and run AI-powered systems without needing to code or manage complex setups. Significantly reduce the amount of manual repetitive work involved compared to other softwares. If I had to start from zero today, no audience, no team, no existing business, I wouldn't try to work harder. I built systems. From scratch, because that's the one thing I think that I wasn't too good at in the beginning of my journey. But now I know systems is everything, because right now we're entering a shift where the people who win aren't the busiest. They're the ones who know how to design systems that can handle repetitive work at scale. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how I'd approach building a business that has the potential to reach around 5 figures per month using AI-powered system as twin for today's video. And the reason why I'm saying 5 figures a month is because I do 5 figures a month strongly, and I've done that for the past year or so. So I know exactly what I'm talking about in this video, and that's exactly what I want to share in this video. But of course, none of these results are guaranteed. I'm only sharing things from my personal experience and what has worked for me. You need to approach it according to your own situation, of course. So make sure you remember that. So as I started the disclaimer a little bit, I want to continue on that. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This is not financial or business advice. Everything, once again, I'm sharing here is based on my personal and own experience and how I personally think about building businesses. So obviously nothing here is guaranteed. And also I've been testing a platform called Twin to explore how AI agents can support business systems, and I'll be using that as a part of this breakdown. And just for full transparency, as always, the top link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission if you decide to use it at no extra cost to you, of course. Most people use AI as a tool, but here's a different way to think about it. Not just as something that helps you to complete tasks, but as something that can support systems that run parts of your business, even if you're not a technical user. And that's the angle we're taking today. So the first step of this journey, as always, is to choose a niche. And instead of choosing what's trendy, I'd focus on problems that businesses are already paying to solve. That's the way I looked at my businesses. That's the way I look at anything when I want to start. What problems can I actually solve with my solution or my services? And if there's no problems that can be solved with my solution, then it's pointless from my perspective. So the things I would think about starting will be like lead generation, customer follow-ups, appointment booking, e-commerce recovery. These are valuable because these are repeatable, measurable, and directly tied to revenue. The key is to choose something where the outcome is clear and valuable. That's the most important thing. I think most people don't think about these things when they start anything. They think about what looks good or what is fashionable, but that's not how you make money. Once you've picked a niche, you need an offer. For example, if you choose lead generation, which I think is a really good one personally, instead of saying we send emails, you position it as we help you generate constant qualified leads through a structured system. That shift truly matters because now you're not selling effort, you're offering a solution to a particular problem with a clear approach and a clear outcome. The third step is where things get truly interesting. Traditionally, building systems with an automation software like N8N or Make.com involves multiple tools, manual setup, and complex nodes to plug to one another. Ongoing maintenance, of course, and often things break. That's one of the reasons why platforms like Twin are gaining attention, because instead of building workflows step by step, you can describe an outcome and the system work towards executing it, thanks to AI agents that will do the task independently and run tasks as a human would do within your business. But the only difference this time around is that they're not humans and they're just AI agents, which is pretty incredible once again. So let's say I want to create a lead generation system. I could describe something like this: identify new businesses in a specific market, gather contact details, draft personalized outreach messages, and organize responses, of course. From there, Twin can interact with websites, navigate tools, generate outputs, and run processes on an ongoing basis, as I'm demonstrating right now, without needing to manually configure every single step, which is truly incredible. Because one of the biggest issues a lot of people have with running a business is that they feel like they need to be there 24/7. And if that's what you're doing right now, you're not running a business, you're running a 24/7 job. And that is not the meaning of a business. You're meant to move yourself away from the operations of your business as soon as you possibly can. And AI agents like Twin can certainly help you with moving yourself away from the operations of your business, if you see where I'm coming from. Now, to be very clear, this doesn't mean you just press a button and everything runs perfectly. You still need direction, oversight, adjustments over time, of course, but it can significantly reduce the amount of manual repetitive work involved compared to other softwares. And that usually takes time to learn the platform and days or weeks to create complex agents. Here, Twin barely takes 5 minutes to create one agent with just one simple explanation in English and without knowing how to code and without needing to manually configure every step. And if you want to see how this works in practice and try it for yourself, you know exactly what you need to do. Check out the top link in my description as always, and that can get you going with Twin today. Right now. Isn't that incredible? So next step, I want to talk about the system breakdown. So here's how I'll structure a simple system: prospecting process, identifying potential leads; outreach process, drafting and sending messages; follow-up process, maintaining communication, of course; booking process, scheduling calls; tracking process, monitor performance. Instead of handling these manually, you can begin to support them with systems that run constantly in the background without you needing to monitor it, because Twin works even while you're at sleep. So it's an employee basically that you have working for you 24/7 essentially. Once your system is working, scaling becomes more structured. You can improve targeting, refine message, increase volume gradually. That's how I increase my business revenue to the mid 5 figures on a monthly basis right now. We are touching 6 figures on a monthly basis by the end of this year. By God's grace, I hope, of course. So once you have this in place, it's evident that it becomes more structured. You can do things like this: improve targeting, refine messages, increase volume gradually, and potentially expand into new niches, offer similar system to other businesses. The key idea is that you're improving a process, not just increasing workload when you truly think about it. The real shift here is this: instead of relying purely on time and effort, you start thinking in terms of systems and processes, which is a different way of thinking altogether. I've been there before where I only relied on my time and effort and I wasn't really making much money. But the minute I started thinking about systems and processes, my revenue went up. And that's just a given fact. That doesn't, of course, remove the need for work, but it can change how the work is applied, which is the important thing here. So if you want to explore this approach yourself, you can check out Twin in the top part of my description as always. It's designed to help you build and run AI-powered systems without needing to code or manage complex setups, of course. If you find this video useful and helpful, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. I am rounding this video up now, and I'll see you in the next video where we are, of course, going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship as always.